Dr. Drew here with iScout, and I wanted to come on and show you all how to do a daily upload. So a daily upload of your reports. There are 5 reports we're going to cover. This will only take about 3 minutes, especially once you get the quick keys down. And trust me, that is a heck of a lot less time than it takes manual entry that some of you were doing. Now, first thing that you will do is hit Alt and the letter E. And what that will do is bring up a dialog box. I want you to go down and choose Excel and then select Enter. That prevents you from wasting a ton of ink. Now, the first report we're going to run is called the Control Report. So we're going to hit the letter L as in Libra, Q as in Quebec, select iScout Control, hit the letter B, and then select iScout Control. This will be the most lengthy report that you have to run because it's populating information at this particular point. So just give it a second and your report will automatically populate here in a few. All right, now here is your control report. You'll see iScout Control in the upper left-hand corner. The only thing you want to do here is hit Excel. Whatever dialog box that pops up, wherever it pops up, the only thing I want you to do is double-click Control and hit yes to replace. You don't want to name your reports every time because they do have to be named properly, and this helps us avoid naming errors, 1 letter off, 2 letters off. So just replace the files. What will happen is automatically there will be an Excel window that opens. You'll select File, you'll go to Save As, and then you'll simply save this report in the desktop or on the desktop in your iScout folder. So you'll just find the iScout folder on your desktop. Click Desktop, find the iScout folder on the desktop, open it, and then replace the control file, yes, and then you can close this out because you're done with it. So that is your control report. You'll select Exit here, hit Enter, Escape, and then you do not want to keep this query active, so you select No. Now you've already did your Alt-E, so it is selected to output in Excel. The next report is called the Transaction Report. So you're going to hit the letter B as in boy, T as in Tom. And what you're going to do is you'll always go 30 days back for this. So you just select 08 in this case, which will be 30 days back from today's date. And then you'll hit the green arrow. I only hit the X because I did not want to populate any names on this sheet. So you'll hit F6, and this is the way you save all of your reports. You'll go to the desktop, go to your iScout folder, and this is the transaction report. So you'll double click transaction report and hit yes to replace, and you're done. You hit escape. The next report is called the insurance report. So it's the letter B as in boy, L as in Larry. You'll also go 30 days back on this one. So 08, 30 days back from today's date. You'll hit the green arrow. It'll automatically open a box, so you won't see a list of this information. It'll open a box. And then what you do is go to the desktop, hit iScout, and this is the insurance report. You'll just double click insurance report, replace it, and you're done with that one. The next report is the arrivals report. So it's B as in boy, comma, and then what you'll do is always select the day of for this one. Don't go anything other than the day of. You'll hit the green arrow. You'll select all patients. I'm going to do current so I don't populate any information. Then you'll hit F6. Go to the desktop. Go to your iScout folder. And you will save it as the arrivals report. You'll double click arrivals report. Replace it. And hit escape. The last report that you're going to run is called your visit report. So it's the letter R as in robot, O as in Oscar, the number 4, and then what you're going to do is you'll go 30 days back, and then you'll go 30 days forward. You'll then hit the green arrow and you'll hit enter to confirm. I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want that report to populate. When it does, you'll simply hit F6. Simply hit F6 and then you'll print it. You'll go to the desktop, find your iScout folder, and save that one as the visit report. Okay? So now all of your reports are run. You are now ready to upload these reports to your iScout account.